Meaning of John Donne.
John Donne.
John Donne.
John Donne.
John Donne. John Donne was an English poet and cleric of the Church of England who lived in the late 16th and early 17th centuries. He is considered one of the greatest poets of the English language, known for his works that explore themes of love, religion, death, and sexuality. Some of his most famous poems include The Flea, A Valediction, Forbidding Mourning, and Death, Be Not Proud. Donne's poetry is characterized by his use of metaphysical conceits, complex imagery, and a deep exploration of human emotions.